Guess this. Let's start with everything. Wait, video game. I get my hair back, but I don't use some haircut on this. Today's video. Forget the mom. So, wait. So, okay, good. No. Not only 12 marks, but I am Gala. So, so, let's try to make a bed. It's, I want to take that. And the last, here, perfect. Perfect. Try to, perfect. It's just like back. Calling what? Call. That D and it's firework. And right? Yeah. And, yeah. This is my sister. Wait, bro. Wait a second. Bunso. Bunso, look at this. Hindi dito sa yung screen. At ano ako yeah. Look at me here. Look at me. Look. No, teka lang. Can you get this? Look at this. Teka lang. Wait, bunso. 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 Bunso, look at me. Look at me. Can I see? Look at me. Can you lapit a little bit? Okay, ako na lalapit a little. Can I see it? Okay, my blanket is even so mysterious. I mean, where are you? No? Well, I cannot punch you. Let's find the mini game. Bunso, come here. Follow me. Brown. I will not. How do you make that? How about lapit ako? Can I punch you? What's a tek lang? Can I punch you? Let's try to. I hit one. What can I shoot you? Hit that. That's how you do it. While this is I know. Wait, I'm trying to make a series block. Wait. Bunso, Bunso, I make a seaweed block because I use my food seaweed. You can do it. Try it. Try it. No, Bunso. Yes, 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 yes. Um, in, in, um, wait, I'm gonna, where are you? Where are you, bro? I'm gonna put it in my inventory. Yes, 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 yes.
Oh, night. Hello. Wait. Up. Down.
What's up, Kayo? Where are you? How do you build that? Pero, let's see the block.
Galing.
What's up? Bakit yung sa, bakit yung, yung, yung lava block, hindi tayo nabe-burn sa hindi survival.
It's for mortal.
Bunso, Bunso, I tried to build ng ito, pero it didn't work. That's so sad. Let's try. Bro, I have diamond. Bunso, I'm gonna give you this pickaxe. You want some? Bunso, you want some ito?
No.
You want some diamond pickaxe? Are you anyway? Yes, I'm gonna have a big good. Bro, you
Oh, look at this.
where are you?
From here. Then I want the.
Gordon. Feeding.
Good.
That's so scary.
Can you kill it, Baba?
No.
Yes.
Monster, look at me. Monster, look at me. I'm riding a pink with carrot.
You are what?
I'm riding a pink with carrot.
Yes.
Whoa. So funny and so funny.
Who will gonna win? Between the warden and me? Dollar.
Sino Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win to fight?
You get.
It's gonna be the warden because I know that's so strong. So many fox.
Maybe the
What? That's enough. Yeah.
Buffalo. Oh, the warden won. Ano itong kit na basta ba? Sleeping little fox.
But then look, the pig is following me with the carrot.
Ay. Bakit ang dami nating fox, Baba? Sobrang dami ng fox. Ay, sobrang dami ng fox.
The pigs love me so much.
Love?
There's some love.
Yeah. I killed all.
Where's my pig? Where's my pig?
Deleted all because I am God of Minecraft.
I want my pig back.
Dali, meron pa.
But can you add a lot of fox?
No, I
Look
don't
at
like
me.
a lot of fox.
Look at this. Look at me sa screen. You should.
Baba.
Basta look at me. Look at me, bunso.
Yes, you.
I cannot wear this. The pig is following me. Why the pig like you? Such a silly boy. Such a silly boy. Such a great. I'm sitting down. Great. I'm sitting down. With the look. I'm wrong. What's that? Can you take me somewhere? We build it. Can I build it? But then look at me. You want a pig too? First, it's called a pig. Tapos, get ka ng salad. Tapos, get ka ng carrot. Yung ganito na carrot muna. Yung,
Yes, di ba I teach you? I taught you.
tapos, get ka yung meron carrot na may so hot to kumot. Hindi pag-kumot. Yes. I get some the fork. Why are you so fast? What's that boosting?
Kasi itong nasa nito.
This is high security house. How so mean? Okay. Let's drink this ring. Where do you get that piglet na Bunso? Where do you get that piglet Opo. Teka lang. Oh, it looks silly. Hello, a piglet is carrying you. Bunso. I am the sugar. Where should I put this? Bro, where are you? I'm gonna follow you. My my mommy built it. It's my mommy built it then. Are you are you just checking in my mom? Wanna go inside in the blue house? I don't want to go inside in the blue house. Up, up, up.
Wala na rin si Bunso, Baba. Build na kayo ni Ma'am ng house. Bye! Yan na. Pantas na kayo. Para I'm safe.
I want to go to.
Dito, oh. Sa high security nga ako.
Can you honor me?
Oh, di ko nga alam mag-open nito. Ay, ba? Wait. Yan, hanggang na.
Get out, villager. Get out, villager. This is our roommates. Okay, Bunso.
Lots of gold inside.
Okay, I'm not gonna look. Do you put your diamonds and gold? I'm not gonna look, okay?
Okay, open the outside na.
No, I don't want to. I want to stay here.
What am I gonna do? Play with your mga ano.
Bunso, put,
Bye.
you said you're gonna put ng diamonds and
It's
gold.
nasa secret area.
Okay, love yours.
Love
yours. Teka lang, Bunso, ano?
Wala na. Nag-buy na ako ah.
Bunso, bilis. Naman. Yun ang luti mo yung legs ko. Pwede ba yun? Sige, sa likod. Bibit si Papa.
Sabi ko sa'yo naman, sinabi
Okay guys, if you like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.